What's going on, guys? Red here with Red Knows How, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to log in or create an account on Roblox here for Xbox Series X and S. So here I am on my home screen. I've already got it downloaded. What I'm going to do is go ahead and click A. Just click the A button right there. It'll take you a couple seconds just to get there, and then next thing you'll see is this screen here. You can either go ahead and sign in if you have an account or create an account. I don't have an account yet, so I'm going to go ahead and click create account. Again, you're going to click A there, and here what you're going to do is, as it says, it's pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to go ahead and put in your date of birth, your gender. Gender is optional. If you don't want to do any of that, pick a username. Obviously it says don't use your real name, and password here, so I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so yeah, once you're done with that, you can go ahead and click continue. It may take you a little bit with the username right there. You may need to go back and change it since it doesn't let you use a username that's already taken, but you can just play around with that a little bit. It should be fine eventually. And then you just click continue, and there you are. You're in the game. You've created an account, and anytime you need to sign in, you just go back down and click sign in and put in your username and password, and it should work the exact same way. But yeah, that's how you do that, and that's how you log in or create an account in Roblox. And just remember, if you don't know, Red knows how.